jilum jadi jingkit di lokal mungkin.
Hadian baka benta ke baar jong ke jengi kren kaput apdeng ki soka jong ke Meghalaya bat Assam ke layak Shekmat ke kenhun Jaintia National Council ane JNC ke la jimut bakini ki artli ki soka ki la ru ban pej benya ya ki khana long dien jong ke jaj ban riu penar aba ajing kren ha ke jengi lang bat ki nong patai khubor ha ke singi balang u president jong ke kenhun JNC uba sambor mi lingdo ula ong baka jaj ban riu penar ke don la ke jong ke khana pateng Mod ula banjur bakini ki sorkar ki deiban burom ki khana longdien bat ki riti ki dostro jong ki jai ban riu penar. Ula banrap ru baki snong ki thau penar ki badangdon haduk menta mene hapo jela Assam deiban penpai no syaka jela Meghalaya dakaba pensong nongrem halo ki riti ki dostro jongki.
We came to know that we the Penar, especially we the Jaintia, especially the Penar, we have our own identity, we have our own history. So we want the regional committee of both the government to respect our historical background, to respect our traditional belief and our culture and our cultural practice. And while settle this border dispute, we want them to also look at the historical background of the Penar and to also look at the traditional practice and our customary law and to settle the border issue based on our historical background.
Mentapa inya pej ya ke jinglong jaman ke sumeneng Shillong